So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go and do that for me. Hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. Hit it and put that notification bell on so you can know when I upload a video. Anyways, I don't want to hold you up for too long because this is supposed to be a little short video. Don't let this big pile of stuff let you think, oh girl, it's throwing them coins. No, I don't have money like that. I got almost all this stuff on eBay. I think I paid like $20 tops. So maybe 30, give or take a few dollars. But this one right here, this product right here, you see, postage $3.66. I didn't pay for this. This was given to me by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Milagros Mendez. I hope I'm saying her name right. I'm terrible with names, people. I'm so sorry if I'm messing up her name. I will leave her link in the description below. Please go and support her channel if you're not yet subscribed to her. Please, I wish you would hit that subscribe button because she sent me this. And I'm going to open it up and see what she sent me, okay? Let's go. Okay, I got me my little scissors. And we're going to cut this package open to see what we got up in here. So I told her, I said in my video that I didn't have any stamping plates. So she's like, okay, I'm going to see what I can do. I'm going to hunt through my stuff and I'm going to find you something and see. She sent me a little note. Hi, Regina. It's not much, but something to start off with. Enjoy stamping. Love, Millie Mendez. Aww, she did. I love her for this. Thank you so much. I know I'm gonna love it. I know I am. So let me start out. We cut this open. Yep. So okay. All right. Okay, so I don't have a stamper. She sent me a stamper and a scraper. Oh, here we go. She said it wasn't brand new, some of the stuff. So don't be talking about, oh, she sent me stuff that wasn't brand new, because she asked me up front. So this is a nice scraper and a beautiful stamper because I don't have any. So, better than nothing. I think it's amazing. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, let's see what else is in here. Some of the stuff are brand new, as she said before. Okay, so I got 2 little stamping plates here. Let's see what you got in here. Ooh. Okay, so this one is for Christmas. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. So I'm going to be doing some Christmas nails this year because last year I didn't do any Christmas nails. Sorry, I'm all over the place. I was, my eyes were all closed and stuff. Yeah, ridiculous, I know. So I got that one. Put this back in the folder. Ooh. And this one is from Beauty Big Bang. Okay. And this one is from the Born Pretty store. And this one is I think it's kind of also like a Christmas kind of thing. Not sure. It's like, it's really pretty though. Okay. And she said maybe the numbers on them is not the same as the stamping plate itself. And this one, I like this one. I like this one a lot. It's got all the shapes. And I like that because, sometimes you just want to put something on your nails. And this looks amazing. I like that one especially. Ooh, that is going to be so cute. Oh, thank you so much. And, yeah, go subscribe to her channel if you're not yet subscribed. And follow her on Instagram. Once you go to her page, you'll see her info for her YouTube. Not her YouTube, for Instagram and also for Facebook. And thank you again. I appreciate all the stuff you sent me. Appreciate. All right, let's move on. These are the little things that I got. Also, yep. Let me cut these open so you can see what I got. I'm so excited. I don't know what I have in here, to be honest. All I know is I got some stuff. Okay. So I bought me some water decals. And this is from, I wonder if I should open this stuff up. I never open this stuff up so you can see. So, but let me open this up so you all can see, because I mean, what's the point of unboxing if you're leaving the stuff in the package? Let's see what's in here. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. And it's got words, so I can do the, you know, little cute nails. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh. And there's so much of them. I'm like, oh, mermaid nails, mermaid nails. Oh my gosh. Oh, every flower you can think of is in here. OMG. Okay. Oh, these are nice. And I'm not a cross fan, but these are beautiful. Not a fan of crossings. Sorry. I know it's just, it's my opinion. I am not for it. Well, you know, okay. I think this is the first one I saw. I think I've been through the whole thing already. But yeah, they're just beautiful. Okay. All right. Put these over here to the side. Let's get into this package right here and see what's into this one here. Okay. Oh, all right. I'll see what's up. Yeah. Let's see. I bought some more bling because, you know, girl don't have any bling, that much bling. And the ones I have are really small and the shapes are the same. But, ooh. Oh, these are nice. I can't wait to start using these. OMG. Oh my goodness. They're so beautiful. They're so pretty. I don't even know what the shapes are called. But I think they're basically the same because the heart shapes are here. Let me see if the backs are flat. No, they're not flat backed. I don't like that. But it's still good. Some of them's backs are flat, but these are not flat backed. I think these are like the ones you use on the bulky nails. This side is flat, and this side they're basically in the shape of what it is. They're like 3D. So, yep, those be popping. Those be popping. Okay, nice. Let's keep it moving. All right, let's see what's in this big one right here. Let's cut this big one open. Yeah, let's cut this big boy open. Let's see what we got in this package. Yeah. Let's see. Cut. Come on, they really packaged this stuff up good. They're like, yep, we ain't trying to get no accidental. Ooh, okay. So I bought myself some stamping stuff because remember I was complaining. And this is before I knew she was sending me some stuff. So this one comes with, this is from Born Pretty store. I went on there, I'm like, okay, let me go find some stamping stuff. So now I have stamping polishes to try out my my new stamping plates that I just got. And I'm not sure what this little thing is. I think it's like a chrome powder because it's got a little brush in there. So let me open up it and see what, you know. This is a scraper. This is not like the one she gave me. This is thin. And this plate right here, it's like, oh, it's like spring plate. It's a spring plate. It's like a lattice fence. I like this. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind here. Oh, and this one, I got me another one too. So, you know, I'm all lucky and happy today. Okay, let me open this up. Let me see what this is. I think this is like a chrome powder, I guess. Okay, let me see what it is. Oh, it's sealed, but it is a chrome powder. It's like silver. I will do this. I will do this on the nail the minute I have some time. I know I say that stuff all the time when I'm doing an unboxing, and it's like I never have time to do all the stuff that I say, but I'm gonna get round to it. I need to get round to it because I'm wasting time here by not doing that stuff. Oh, this one I think I popped open because I was curious. Yep, let's see what's in here. Ooh, so I got me some nail foils. So I'll be doing some nail foil nails. Okay, let me see. I don't think I said this one's gold. This one is bright pink, rose pink, and a silver. So I don't even know how you use these things. This is my first time seeing this. for getting me. So yeah. Okay, I got some. Okay, this is the. Okay, this is where I got this thing from. I can follow them on Facebook, I guess, on Instagram. I can look them up if you want to. You can do so as well. You know, that's their Facebook and Instagram. You can go and support because their stuff is not badly priced and they're freaking beautiful. And they're cheap. It's cheap. It's not cheap, super cheap, like, you know. But look at the color on these crystals. This is green and blue. And this is it, and they're like, let me see if I can explain. They're like, they're not shiny, they have a little haze to them, so that's why I bought them. I'm like, all my bling are shiny, and this one is pink, so I want to have something different, because when somebody comes and they want something different, this is what I'm gonna give to them. And I never have anything to do my swatches on. If y'all notice, I never swatch nail polishes or glitters or anything like that, because I never had any swatching sticks, you know. As I said, people are coming at me, you know, but I'm still just getting my life together. So I got these little sticks where I can do color swatches. And it comes with a ring right here where I'm done. When you're done, you can stick them on there. Thought they would come on the ring, but obviously you gotta do it yourself. It's a do-it-yourself kind of thing, but yep, you hang them right on there. And you can just go through it. And look, I like these because instead of wasting the stick with one color, I can use 3 colors. So, and it's a bunch of sticks. I mean, I'm not even sure how much it is. I don't know if it said it on the package how much this was. I think it's 50 pieces, because most things are like 50 or 100, and I think it's about 50 pieces. I think so. Okay, this right here is my stork scissors. I got this here, beauty. I didn't even open it yet, so I'm gonna know I'm going like say it open. From, let me see if I can get something sharp to open it with. Yep, I'm using it. Yep, that's right. It's like a little razor blade. Nail tools. You can use all kind of things. Oh, they're so adorable. Let me see if I can find me a fake nail right quick. Okay, so I can just, ooh, yeah, so you can just cut that. Ooh. It's nice and clean cut. It's a nice clean cut. You don't have to worry like, boom, oh, you want that length? Let's go. You boom, you cut it, and then you have a little bit of filing to do. It's already in the shape you want. And I see why everyone has these scissors, because I'm like, there has to be a reason why everyone buying these little cute little scissors, because the beaks are long and it's a thick, firm bodied scissor, so it's worth it. If you don't have one of these, get yourself one of these. And I like Tweezerman products because their stuff stays sharp. I love their products. It stays sharp and in place. Okay, so let me see if I find anything else on here. Okay, I have one more, 2. Okay, so let me cut this one open. Come on. Alright. This scissors needs some Jesus or something. Okay, so, oh. Okay, so these are like, I'm not sure. I bought these and I didn't, because of the mermaid things. I wanted to do mermaid design. So I've never done the mermaid nail with like these before, so I wanted to try it out. And there is a lot in there. A lot more than I thought. I thought it was just going to be a few pieces, but it's a lot. Look at this. Woo! They sent a whole bunch. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to lose my mind, people. I'm losing my mind already. Oh my gosh. There's so many crazy shapes. Fish shapes, star shapes, heart shapes. Rocks. I can do rocks. Mosaic. Mermaids. The whole shebang. I mean, there's so many different shapes. Like, if I wanted to do animal print. Because this looks like a perfect animal print. So I'm not sure if this you leave it on the nail. I'm not too sure about this. I don't know how to use this. If anyone knows how to use this product right here, because it's holographic, so can you use this on the nail itself? So I'm not sure. All right, but if you know how to use this one, you know, comment in the comment section, and you know, I will figure out how to use it. Or I'll just, you know, look it up online. But those are cute. All right, I got 2 more packages right here. Let's see what's in this one right here. Oh, okay, wait a minute. I got 2 of these. Oh, I'm not cutting this one open because this looks just like the one that I opened at first. See? I don't know if it's a I rebought the same thing. I should open it and see. I don't want to open it because maybe if I'm having a giveaway, I could give this away. But I'm going to open it just to see. I could just tell them, you know, I opened it just because of curiosity and they can see it on the video. And I can just send it. Yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing, people. I bought 2 of the same thing. So, giveaway! When I'm having a giveaway. Yes, because these are beautiful. They're beautiful water decals. And you're going to lose your mind when you get these. Yep. So, I'm going to put that aside for a giveaway. And I have this. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this looks like something else from Born Pretty store. And it looks like chrome powders, like a bunch of chrome powders. I think this one's gold and this is purple. Oh, okay, the bags are, that one has no bottom. Okay, I think I cut it off when I cut the bag open. So this one is, oh my gosh, if you could see it. You see that? Isn't that pretty? But they're all sealed, so I'm gonna have to just check them out. And they all come with their own little makeup spongy thing. Alright. And this one is the gold. This is purple. And this one is, this is what? Gold. It's gold, purple, and this one is, can't move bag. Sure. Don't go out of the way, man. Trees. Okay, and this one is solid gold. Like, this one is like a more of a gold and holographic thing, but this one is like a solid gold. Okay, so here we go. Get these out the way as well. I'm gonna have to organize all this stuff and take all this trash out, people. Yeah, yay me for this. And oh, there's one more bag. Okay, let me get one more something. Hey, let's see what in a dish. Hope I'm not cutting the product itself. It seems like I was. It seems like I cut up my own things. Oh, it's not cut up. It's just the bag. I cut the bag. Yeah. But, okay, see what these are. More bling. Bling, people. More bling. Bling, bling. Bling, bling. Yeah. More bling. Oh. Okay. So, I saw these and I couldn't leave them. This was the red with some little rosettes and some different kind of diamonds and shapes. And the blue. So, you know, this would be perfect for like Valentine's. And this, I just buy it because my favorite color is blue. And the fan keeps clicking on because I keep touching it. But, I just buy blue because I'm a blue fan. But it was the prettiest one, I think. So, I love it. I love them. Alright, that's it for my haul. That's it. Yeah, all of this is just trash and paper and garbage. Anyways, thank you for tuning in and watching my my little haul today. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so now. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and stay fly like Regina Nails Be Fly. Bye!